Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with a new video and I already kind of filmed the outfits for this. This is actually very long overdue, so I'm going to talk about a few of the things that I got from Goodfair recently. You guys saw my last Goodfair video a while ago, but yes, this video is sponsored by Goodfair and they sent me a few items I wanted to show you guys. So I actually put everything into one box. They sent me two boxes. I put everything into one because there was a lot of stuff and I wanted to go ahead and choose my favorite outfits from the two boxes that they did send me, and also show you guys like the shoes that they sent. So they sent me a total of 3 different boxes. One was a bunch of sweatshirts with a shirt bundle. The other one had a bunch of sweaters with shirts as well, and also some sweatshirts in there too. So I'm gonna just go through those in this video for today and hopefully you guys like it. So let's go ahead and go through everything. So before I actually go into the clothing, I also just want to say that Goodfair is a sustainable clothing brand. They give you bundles of clothes that you don't know like what you're gonna get in the box, and it's all thrifted clothing. So if you like thrifting like myself, it's a really good way to go ahead and get a surprise bundle or a mystery box of your choice that kind of has what you need. So you basically tell them like your clothing size, your style that you want, if you want any like vintage pieces or like basically kind of cater to what you usually wear. They did send me a vintage bundle in here too, so I got some vintage sweatshirts and sweaters in here and everything. But I told them that for my style, I personally prefer like large oversized sweatshirts, for example, and I prefer like medium-sized t-shirts, stuff like that. They kind of customize that for you, and you basically get to have a lot of cool things in the box for yourself. Definitely wash the items before you wear them. We're still in a pandemic. You should be doing that anyway, obviously, if you get thrifted stuff, regardless. I think I wore this gray t-shirt that they sent me. This is in a size, I think it's in a size medium. It's a pretty good shape. I like this shirt the most because I just like where it hits me on my arms. I like how it's not too big and not too small. It's like the perfect size and it feels really comfortable. I like the texture of this shirt personally, and it's just like a nice dark gray t-shirt that I wear with anything. Most of the outfits in this video I wore with like high-waisted shorts. Very casual in this video. I did put together a plaid oversized shirt with this too. I thought it looked really cute. I also love the pocket in the front and it goes really well together with the outfit. So that's what I had for that one. The next thing I wore was this Calvin Klein striped t-shirt, and I paired it together with a pair of blue shorts. This is honestly one of the cutest fits that I have as far as like the way that this shirt fits too. I like the stripes. I love the Calvin Klein logo on the front. I just love the way that the sleeves fit me. I like how it's kind of cropped a little bit, so it's not too long for me to like tuck into things. My first or second favorite in the whole bundle that they sent me because it's just really nice. I think this was a part of the vintage collection as well that they sent me. The next thing I got that was a part of the vintage bundle was this awesome sweatshirt. I love this so much. The brand is Vantage VCC Club Collection. This is an extra large. The way that this fits is just so nice. I love the sleeves. Like, look how big these sleeves are. I've already worn this in an Instagram photo and so many of you guys were asking me where I got this from, and yes, it's from Goodfair. I like just how it's kind of worn a little bit, but not too much to the point where like I wouldn't get it from a place like Urban Outfitters or something. Like you would definitely see a sweatshirt like this there. A really good quality sweatshirt. I love this one so much. I wore this yellow t-shirt. This is, I think it's was it a golfing shirt? No, this is just a Colorado State University shirt. TLC, totally life-changing. 2004 to 2005. I always get questions on like my university shirts and people ask me, oh, did you go there? And I'm just like, no, I thrifted this shirt, or I thrifted this sweatshirt or something, and people get confused. But I love wearing university shirts. I feel like they're honestly really cute. I feel like even the sweatshirts are really awesome. I have a ton of them in my closet. I wore this with my shorts, and I also at the end paired it together with a blazer. I'm pretty sure I did with this. And this is actually pretty oversized. It's an extra large, I think. I probably would have wanted it smaller, but I think I also put that I wanted extra large shirts too, but I don't normally wear them unless I'm wearing, I don't know, shorts at home or something. I wouldn't really normally wear like oversized t-shirts like this. I do wear oversized sweatshirts for sure though, like that's my thing. But yeah, this is really cute. I put it together in a really cute outfit, and I also had a sling over bag with this as well. So okay, so with this blue shirt that I got from them, I love the fit of this one too. It's a little bit larger than the other two that I showed you guys, or the first two that I showed you guys. It's in a size large. I wore this together with a pastel green oversized top and also a pair of shorts, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, and I thought this would be really cute with that. I like the colors blue and green together for some reason. I think it just looks really cute. And yeah, this was also a part of their shirt bundle. Another thing that I wore was plaid shirt bundle. So they sent me another bundle that just had plaids in it. I think there were only like 2 plaid shirts. Anyways, but I put this over a red tank top and a pair of shorts. I just love the colors of this flannel personally. They look really awesome. I like how it kind of blends together. It's not as oversized as I would like it to be, but it fits me really, really well. Medium, and it's from JCPenney actually. So they also sent me another flannel, but I didn't try it on in the video, but this is what it looks like. It's kind of wrinkled, but it kind of has like a farmer's vibe to it. The sleeves are also bigger on this one. It just says that it's made in Thailand. It's 100% cotton, but I think it's a little bit bigger than the last one, but it has a thinner material to it, but it's still really cute. I also wore, yeah, they also sent me this shirt with a tiger on it. I nearly wore it in the video as well, but I don't remember what jacket I wore over it. Oh, it might have been my biker jacket with this one with a pair of shorts. I normally would never wear this, but I thought for some reason it looked so cute with the biker jacket that I had. Also my black baggy pants that I wore. I would definitely wear this with like platform boots or something, and maybe like a sling over bag or whatever. That's probably what I would wear with this. It's a size large, El Salvador, and I don't know the brand. It's just like a random shirt. That's what I paired it together with. They also sent me a Batman shirt, which I wore this several times. It's actually very large on me, but if I were to wear this now, because it honestly fits me like a dress, I would just wear it with like an oversized cardigan or like an oversized plaid shirt with some boots or something, maybe like some shorts underneath it or biker shorts underneath it. That's probably what I would wear this with. Okay, they also sent me a gray shirt, which I didn't wear in the video, but it says Grand Canyon on it. I would honestly just wear this same as the other outfits that I put. That's why I'm not gonna do a repetitive thing where I wear this over again. They sent me a blue shirt that says caught, not be bought. So it looks like it's from like, I don't know where this would be from, but it seems like it would just be from some place maybe in Long Beach or something. That's where I would probably find a shirt like this. The brand is Gildan Ultra Cotton Extra Large, made in Mexico. With this, I would honestly wear it with biker shorts or something, or maybe like that, not basketball shorts, but like athletic shorts or something. I wore this sweater in the video. This is from the brand Gabrielle. It's the size large, genuine leather in the front. And this is definitely oversized on me. I put it together with a pair of shorts. Right now it's the type of weather, it's in March right now, so the weather is kind of like cooler outside. It's still like, we're obviously going into spring, so in LA you would normally wear like a long sleeve or like a sweater with a pair of shorts or something, or biker shorts, and this honestly looked so cute with that. So that's what I put together with this. Yeah, this really, really cute sweater with a pair of shorts. One of my favorites, honestly, which I haven't really worn yet. As well as like this other sweater, which is kind of itchy on me, so I didn't really wear it for the video, but it's by LL Bean. Very popular brand, I think. I don't know if it's popular at the moment, but it used to be. And this is more of like a winter sweater. Looks cute, feels cute. The sleeves are kind of short on me, but it kind of has a like an 80s fit, I think. And this is the brand, oh, it's just Gap. I don't know if I liked the fit on this one as much as the other ones, but it was still kind of cute. It's a size large, and it's definitely a wool material, 100% wool, so it's kind of itchy. But if you wear this type of sweater, I would honestly wear like maybe like a mesh turtleneck underneath it so that you don't have to worry about it kind of scratching your skin. That's what I would suggest with like all itchy pieces, because it still adds a really cute element to it, but it's not gonna irritate your skin or anything. So yeah, that's pretty much all that I got. What I'm gonna end up doing is showing you guys some of the shoes that I got recently and that I've worn in my Instagram photos. Okay, my favorite part. Okay, so they sent me a pair of 3 different types of shoes. I'm in a size 7, and first of all, they sent me these really cute like loungy type sneakers. I haven't really worn these out yet. The brand is DKNY. You can kind of see inside of here. It's got a little bit of a heel, which I like, and they're so comfortable, and it's more of like a sock sneaker, which I've been wanting for so long. Like, I don't know, more like casual, like little loungy sneakers that you can wear with like leggings or like, I don't know, jeans or something like that. Very comfortable, very cute, also pretty light, so it's not like super heavy on me. I kind of like how it has this like see-through detail on the side, and it looks honestly so cute. It's also got little stars all over them too. They also sent me a pair of little booties that I have here. The brand is Chroma Vintage. This is in a 7 medium, but it fits me perfectly. My favorite thing about these boots is that they're pointed at the toe. I don't know if I like rounded toe heels anymore, or rounded toe boots. They just don't look right on me. I feel like I like my feet to be more of elongated at the front, because it just makes me look a lot more less stubby and short. It just like adds a nice element to the outfit. These are really cute. They're not too high. They're very comfortable. I can walk in these for a while. And it has like a nice little stretch in the side, kind of like most Chelsea boots do. So I love these. They also sent me a pair of these really, really cute. This is in a size 6. No, size 7. They're more like wedges, I get. Well, they're not wedges, but it's more of like a sandal heel, which I freaking love. It's really good for summertime. And it's also very comfortable for me to wear these. Like, I've worn these for a ton of my photos for Instagram already. A lot of texture at the bottom, so you don't slip. It's got laces on it. It's open in the back. Very, very cute. And the brand is called Mix Number 6. I don't know. I just feel like they really took their time to find out or to pick out what stuff that I would like. And they did a great job doing that this time. I honestly really, really like it, everything that they sent me. So thank you to Goodfair for sending me all these items. I hope that you guys liked what I put together in this video. I wanted more of like a vintage, more casual look for this one, kind of like lazy, casual outfits for every day, which is normally what I like to wear anyway, because they're just like nice and comfy. And I haven't done an outfit video like this in a very long time. A lot of the pieces I've been showing you guys have been more so like, more fancy, like less casual, more fitted pieces, but I normally go back to my roots, which is baggier clothes and that stuff that's more comfortable for me to wear on a daily basis. So definitely check out Goodfair if you can. I'm gonna put all the links below. Thank you to Goodfair for sponsoring this video, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.